Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, distinguished keynote speaker, respected chairs, fellow researchers, and conference participants. It is an honor for me to present our research entitled Evaluating Augmented Reality Integrated Project-Based Learning Model for RWD Powertrain. My name is Muslim from the Department of Automotive Engineering, Universitas Negeri Padang, Indonesia. This is author identity. This research was conducted collaboration with colleagues from UNP, National Cheng Kung University, Taiwan, and the Technical University of Košice, Slovakia. The second author is Wagino, Ethel Ivariananda, next Rido Putra, Kasata Saifullah, Susan Kuo, National Cheng Kung University, Taiwan, Volodymyr Timofeev, Technical University of Košice, Slovakia, and the last one, Ivana Kolarova, Technical University of Košice, Slovakia. Ladies and gentlemen, powertrain education is one of the most essential yet challenging areas in automotive engineering. Rear-wheel drive or RWD powertrain systems consist of interconnected mechanisms such as the clutch, transmission, propeller shaft, differential, and axle shaft. This system operates inside closed housing that conceal most internal components. In real classroom situation, students often struggle because internal mechanism cannot be directly observed, access to training equipment is limited, workshop time is restricted, visualizing torsion flow and gear synchronization requires strong spatial reasoning. This gap leads to insufficient understanding and low confidence during practical sessions. Therefore, students need more than static images, PowerPoint slide, or brief demonstration. For more than a decade, augmented reality or ER has emerged as one of the most powerful tools for engineering education. ER enables students to visualize internal movements and mechanical sequences in a highly intuitive manner. However, based on our systematic review, most ER applications in powertrain education focus only on partial components, do not integrate complete PGBL scenarios, and are rarely validated using construct validating testing or practical evaluation. Thus, there is a clear research gap that motivates this study. Why ER? Before explaining the research design, let me brief outline why ER is highly relevant for powertrain education. First, ER provides patient visualizations, allowing learners to expect clutch adjustment, gear interactions, or differential motion as if they could see through the housing. Second, ER facilitates self-direction repetition, enabling students to explore mechanism independently without waiting for equipment availability. Third, ER strengthens problem solving within project-based learning environments, where students must diagnose symptoms, model how power is transmitted, or propose solutions. Finally, ER saw high influences in increasing engagements, motivation, and persistencies, especially in vocational and engineering contexts. This advantage aligns perfectly with the needs of automotive laboratories that often face a quick shortcuts and this curriculum schedule. Although ER has been widely explored, the following gaps remain. Number one, most ER modules focus on rear-wheel drive but only on isolated parts, such as the clutch or differential, without connecting them into a continuous mechanism. There is no complete PGBL model that integrates ER in a structured manner from problem identification to project presentation. Limited studies evaluate construct validate using statistical analysis such as Eigenvalue or factor loading. Therefore, practicality and acceptance from both teacher and student are rarely assessed. The last one, few frameworks measure how ER influence learning interaction, mechanical reasoning, or procedural readiness. To address these gaps, we developed and evaluated a comprehensive AR-PGBL learning model for RVD powertrain systems. Research objective. This study developed, validated, and practically an augmented reality supported project learning model for automotive powertrain instructions using a real-wheel drive train laboratory scenario as the main ER training medium. The purpose of this study is fourfold. Number one, to develop a complete project-based learning model integrated with ER for RVD powertrain. The second one, to validate the model theoretical through expert judgment. Next, to access the practicality of the model through teacher and student evaluations. The last one, to identify learning benefit, especially in interaction, motivation, and understanding of mechanical mechanism. Our research adopt the 4D model by Thiagarajan, 1974, widely used for education product development. Number one, define. We conducted a comprehensive need analysis improvement, curriculum analysis, interview with automotive instructor, classroom observation, and literature review on RR-based mechanical learning. This phase confirmed that students require a learning environment that visualizes internal working and support independent exploration. In the next step, design. In this step, we design a full RVD AR module covering clutch, transmission, propeller shaft, differential, and axle shaft. A structured PGBL framework with 6 steps, including project planning, prototype development, testing, and presentations. Student worksheet, project brief, and evaluation instrument. Developed. The model was validated by experts in ER, automotive powertrain, and learning design. We use Eigenvalue, construct validity indicator, and reliability analysis. After revision, we conducted practical tests with teacher and student in real workshop settings. The last one, disseminated. The model was documented, refined, and prepared for broader implementation. There are models developed in this study feature, marker-based tracking for stable visualizations, complete 3D model represented the entire RVD powertrain, torsi flow simulation for cloud differential, exploded view for component identification, animation showing gear adjustment and rotation sequence, mobile compatibility for Android device. This system allows students to rotate, zoom, and inspect the model from various angles as if they were opening the real housing. Construct validity. Our statistical results show Eigenvalue value between 0.9030 and 0.97. Factor loading rather than 0.90, composite reliability above 0.95. This indicates that the IRPGBM model is theoretically strong and well structured. For content validity, results rank from 0.85 to 0.91, meaning the learning material are highly relevant to the automotive curriculums. In the practical result, teacher and student evaluate the practical of the model based on ease of use. clarity, relevance, and learning benefits. The results show more than 80% practically level across all indicators. A score in interaction in learning, compatibility with student learning, improvement in mechanical understanding, enhancement of confidence before practical sessions. Students report that ER helped them understand complex mechanisms they could not clearly observe during real engine teardown. Teachers state the AR supported demonstration efficiency and allow better control of workshop time. This finding alike with existing literature that highlights ER's role in reducing connecting loop, supporting spatial reasoning, increasing learner engagement, and improving practical readiness. The integration of ER and PGBL give students a more immersive and project-driven learning experience. Students become active explorers, not passive observers. Our results indicate that ER is not merely a visualization tool. It also creates a connective scaffold that bridges the gap between theory and mechanical practice. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the development and validation of practical evaluation, we conclude that the ER integrated PGBL more is valid, practical, and feasible for automotive engineering education. The ER system effectively visualizes complex internal mechanisms of the RVD powertrain. The model enhances interaction, engagement, and mechanical reasoning. It improves student confidence and readiness before handling real engagements. Thank you very much for your attention. I welcome any collaboration opportunities related to ER-based automotive education. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.